Hi, Rich Moyer again. This is video number 4 that tells you how to create your splash pages using your template that has your information embedded in it. So right now we're going to create a new page and we're going to be using your template to do that. So the way to get started here is you go into Build a Biz Online, again, Pro Member Tools, down to the simple splash pages, comb all the way down to the bottom, and give this, let's see, splash. Let's do shark. That one's a favorite one. Okay. So we're going to create the page. And again, it's going to ask us to go select a template. So we're going to go in here, again, all the way to the bottom, select plain old white, the blank template, update the template. Okay, so now we've created the file. Now we need to import your codes. Now you remember, we're going to go back in just to verify this. You remember when we went down to the bottom, your template that you just created, and we retrieved those numbers? We're going to need to do that. Now I had stored them here up a little bit. So, I'd stored them up here, but I want to show you where to get them. So when you come in here to your pages, you're going to go all the way down to the bottom, and the splash page template you created, you're going to say share your splash page. And if it's not, it doesn't show here, you click publish your page and it'll give them to you. So here's the splash page ID and the passcode you're going to use, and you update the publishing options. Okay, so now we're going to go back to your page that you had just created. It's just so much simpler to go into the top of the menu here. So we're going to go into the page you just created. We're going to call this one the shark, and we're going to import a splash page. And here's the number, here's the ID, and here is the passcode. All right, and we're going to retrieve the page. Now it says they're successfully imported. So now we go back to Pro Member Tools, edit it, come down the bottom, get your shark page, and you're going to go into settings. Again, I would make sure that this is updated with your own Build a Biz Online ID. And I'm going to go full screen again right here. And we're currently on the elephant. So now I'm going to have to go back into the, remember we said we're going to store these pages. I want to get the shark. So let's go over here to Build a Biz Online. Sorry. Go into, well, I'm jumping all over here today. Go into your image hosting right here. And it's going to show you your library. So let's go to your gallery. And since everybody loves the shark, we're going to go here and click it. And then right click it and copy image address. Okay. All right, so now we're going to go back into the page. Remember, we had to jump out of there to get our image. So, Pro Member Tools. Simple page. Get out here to settings on the shark. When I go full screen, right click and say image properties. See image properties here on the pull down, and I'm just going to give it that URL. Now, that brings a shark image in. Update the header. And give it something. All right, and we are done. That's all it takes. Now we update this, click the save icon right here, and you're ready to go. Now, how to promote this. I'm going to show you to go back into Pro Member Tools, all the way down to the simple splash page, down to the last, and then view your page. And that's going to bring up your page with a new image. It's going to have your affiliate ID right there. When they click this image, when they click it, it's going to take it to the retail page. Okay, in a new window. This is the number that you'll use. This is the URL that you're going to use to promote this page. Okay, right there. So that's an important one to keep. I would put it somewhere that you remember. So when you go put your ads out on safe lists or somewhere like a safe list or a traffic exchange or solo ads, this is the address that you're going to use to promote this page. All right, and you're all done. So this is really, it's really a couple, once you have the template created, it takes seconds to create a new splash page with a different image. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is talk about how to put this into a rotator. Real simple. I'm going to show you how to create a rotator and paste this in so that all you need to have a bunch of these images portrayed out there rather than just showing the same image over and over. You can have a whole selection of them in a rotator and just promote one URL and it'll step through each of the pages you create there. Let's see you in the next video.